Friends, how are you today? Today I'm getting some orders ordered out here. These are shipping boxes I use. Here we go. And the velvet bag here. This is my new line, spring line that I just finished making. There. I have to make my packing slip. I have these cute bags I got off of, I think it was, let's see, they're for like baking for cookie. Aren't they cute little polka dots? I'll put a little cleaning cloth in there. A thank you for your purchase card. I won't show you, well, just a minute. They do that little thank you card with a discount on it for the next purchase. My business card and my care card and my guarantee. And I'll just get that in there. And I'll put the packing slip in here. And we'll get this. So let's get my shipping label, my packing slip, which is over here, but I'll do it after off camera. So it's ready to go. Thank you for stopping and watching me pack it, how I package my packages. No rustle. Take care. Bye-bye.